Alright, we're Team Magnemite, and I'm Chris, it's Brandon, and Taylor, Melanie, and so rules of the project, basically use the internet, use everything, bring Lego parts from home. You can work with another group, team up, and put multi-bricks together, and figure out a big project, and no tape, no glue.
So for our prototype, we had a basic structure, and it just had two motors, and one was to an arm, and then the other one had the spoon to spin it. And then our prototype wasn't very complex at first, so we added more special features onto it. And then this was our basic prototype. It just had the two motors connected together, and then we added that little arm right there, right here to put the crystal light in, and then we added this touch sensor so when the cup would hit it, it would start the program and just, yeah.
One of our main challenges was just coming up with what to do again, and another challenge we had was that it was top heavy, so it took over, and we solved that by extending the base, just making it bigger. And then it was also hard to find or to figure out how to make a holder to dump the crystal light out, but so that the packet wouldn't fall, but the crystal light would come out of it. And so this is our finished base. You can see that we extended the bottom of it, and then our holder is that little thing right there.
So programming, we just got an infinite loop, and what starts the infinite loop is the touch sensor. So as soon as that cup hits it, motor A is going to run, which drops the on. Motor B is going to mix the cup. A lifts back up, and you got C, which is the touch sensor connected to the motor, and C just lifts the touch sensor out of the way after the cup's mixed all the way, and then it lowers it back down if you need to mix your cup again if it's not mixed well.
So we used all three motors and one sensor. Motor A we used as the primary holding arm for the whole spoon. One of the troubles we had with that is we had to get an exact power for it, because if it went too fast it would throw the juice everywhere, and if we went too slow it wouldn't have enough power to get back up. Then for motor B it was just the spoon spinning, and that was pretty simple. Motor C was kind of a novelty we just kind of threw in there for fun. It lifts up the touch sensor, so you kind of got it a little more compact, so you could like store it in a cupboard really easily. And we used the touch sensor to make this a little nicer, a little more convenient, so you didn't have to reach around and hit the button. You just have to pump it into the sensor and it will start up.
So basically, final product, what we came up with, it has more accessories. It's able to hold the packet for the crystal light. It's able to, retract the touch sensor out of the way so you don't accidentally hit it again when you're going to pick your cup up and the arm will drop and knock your cup everywhere. So, and it's easy to reuse. You just got a spoon and you got a cup to clean. Other than that, you can throw it in the dishwasher. You can put a metal spoon on it if you need it. So plastic would not. And then it's more user friendly because all you're doing is pressing go on the program and hitting it with the cup to start the program. And like all engineers, we don't want to be lazy. We're just efficient. So
Okay. Can you turn on the light?
Works.
Turn on the light, please.
So you just tear the packet, and we're going to set it into the holder. And as soon as you set it in the holder, you got your cup filled with water. Just going to reach around, hit the touch sensor. It's going to drop the crystal light in the cup, mixes it at the same time. The motor goes for 10 seconds, so if you look at it, you go,
Is it good?
I don't know. It may be good, but if not, you go, there's a little bit left on the top, so let's mix it again. So you throw it back down and mixes it for another 10 seconds. And what you could do is you could extend the mixing time a little bit longer. But going with 10 seconds, touch sensor pulls out of the way. Looks pretty good. No leftover stuff on top.
Okay.
Tastes great.
Okay, any question?
You were selling us the product.
Thank you.
Yes, for only $20.